What is JSON? Jason Derulo! Just kidding. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. But it is not limited to use with only JavaScript. It's actually language independent. JSON objects are like maps. The contents are key value pairs. You can also have arrays as the value, and you can also nest JSON objects. JSON objects are unordered. The example shown on the screen demonstrates all of this at once. The key ID corresponds to the value 69. Another key, poo, corresponds to an array with the values p, e, and e. Finally, the key bank account is corresponding to a nested JSON object. Inside that object, you can see I've got a key for balance with value 0. I'm broke. In Java, a useful package that you can use to work with JSON objects easily is org.json. You can find it easily in the Maven repository website just by searching for JSON. With this JSON package, we have JSON object and JSON array available to us. JSON object is the Java class representing a whole JSON object. Keys are of type string, and the value can be any type really. The main methods that you'll be using are the put method, specifying a key and a value, and the get method, specifying a key to look up. JSON array is just how arrays are represented in a JSON object. Inside of a JSON object, you should use a JSON array if you're trying to store data from a list in Java. Luckily, JSON array has a constructor that accepts a collection as a parameter, and the list interface extends collection. Note that JSON arrays are ordered, so it's also able to preserve the ordering of your source list object. A JSON object can be turned into a string simply by using toString on it. Some useful links are in the description, the Maven repository listing, and a link to the Java doc for a JSON object.